Okay, now today we start with deletion in navier trees. Now we have already done the insertion part, and we have you know the all the four types of rotation like LL, RR, LR, and RL. Now today we discuss the deletion in that. Now obviously you know that in a binary search tree the deletion is very simple. There are three cases. One, a node to be deleted does not have any child. The node has one child, or node has two children, and that you have done according to the laid down rules for this. Now, deletion in navier tree will have basically six cases. But six cases, when I say, it is only three cases, and three are the mirror images of the other one. Therefore, what we can do is that there are three cases which are called as one, the R0 rotation, then there is R plus 1 rotation, and there is R minus 1 rotation. There is three rotations, R0, R plus 1, and R minus 1. And with this, there is also the mirror images L0, L plus 1, and L minus 1. Now, when I say R0 and L0 are same, one is because of the right, and second is because of the left. And therefore, the rules for them are very same, just like LN and RR. Okay, and rest two are also same. R plus 1 and L plus 1 are same. Similarly, R minus 1 and L minus 1 are same. Now, we'll try to discuss these cases. You have to understand it very well, because this is a little trickier than the one we have done in the as far as the insertion is concerned. This case is a little more trickier than that. Now let us try to do the first rotation, the R0. Now you have to understand where I am going to apply the R0 rotation. Now let us try to draw a simple tree to show you. I will draw a tree like this. And here the height of this is h. Okay. Now you tell me, if I delete anything from BL, will it become unbalanced? If I delete any node from BL, will it become imbalanced? Yeah. No, it will not. If I delete anything from BR, again no. That means the balance will only change if you are going to delete from AR. Okay, that means now the question comes, if I delete from AR, which node will have unbalance?
A node.
Of course, it will only have A, because that is the only node which will affect. Because it will not affect the other nodes, because those nodes are not connected only. That means it will only affect A. That means this case of R0 is the case where you are deleting something from AR. And here, what I can do, I will delete that something, I will delete from here, I will delete from here. And if I delete thing, it becomes an H minus 1. And the balance factor of this will become plus 2. Why? Left is H plus 1, right is H minus 1. Therefore, the balance factor will calculate at H plus 1 minus H minus 1. Correct? Height of left, H plus 1. Height of right, H minus 1. You find a difference between those two, it becomes a plus 2. Now, after deletion, this is the case. And now, you have to delete that thing. Now, here, how will I come to this conclusion that in this case, the rules are that the balance factor of B is 0. That means, in this case, what happens? The balance factor, what I will write, the balance factor of B is equal to 0. If it is like this, you have to apply R0 rotation. That means this is the condition for applying a R0 rotation, that B balance factor must be 0. And you find here that height of BL and height of BR are same. Therefore, the balance factor of this is 0. But you are deleting on the right hand side. You are not deleting on the left hand side. You are trying to delete on the right hand side. But the balance factor of the node of B has to be checked. Now, obviously, what can be the balance factor of B? It will be either 0 or plus 1 or minus 1. Agreed? That means the balance factor of B will be either 0 or minus 1 or plus 1. It cannot be plus 2 or minus 2. Why? If it is plus 2 minus 2, it would have been balanced before only. That means you try to understand the concept. Why it is called R0? Because of the fact that the balance factor of B is 0. But B is not in the right, but in the left. Correct? That means I am deleting in the right. That is therefore that stands for R. Why it is called R? Because you are deleting in the right subtree. Why it is called 0? Because the balance factor of the node in the left of A is 0. And therefore, what I will do, I will apply an R0 rotation. Now, what I will do, I'll directly write the results, and that will be quite easy for you to understand. What I do, I will be putting a B as the root. Then I will have A over here. I will have AR over here. Then I will have Now, what is the height of AR? Is h minus 1. Now, what is the balance factor of A? This plus 1. What is the balance factor of B? And this balances. Of course, it balances. Why? Because the height of left of B is h, the height of right of B is h plus 1. Why h plus 1? BR is h plus A will give you h plus 1. Therefore, it is minus 1. The height of A will be h minus h minus 1 will be plus 1. And now this is the rotation of the cases. Is it clear to you? Now, that means what I said is that when you apply an azimuthal rotation, you are deleting in the right side. But this 0 will come not because of the right side, but the left side of the node which had an imbalance. Now you might ask me, why did I check the balance factor of B? Because A was having a balance factor of plus 2. A will be having a balance factor of 8 plus 2. That means I can say if A is equal to plus 2, check balance factor of B. If A is equal to plus 2, obviously A will be plus 2 only. It cannot be minus 2. Why? Because I am deleting on the right side. Therefore, right is less than left. It means A will always be plus 2. It cannot be minus 2. Now tell me, when will be A minus 2? Come on, fast.
When right side has two nodes and A had more than two nodes and right side left side has one node.
That means what you are trying to say, you say it very clearly. L0 rotation.
Mirror image.
L0.
Yeah, L0.
Mirror image or L0. L0 A will have minus 2. In R0 A will have plus 2 because you are deleting in the right side. Therefore, the right will become less than left. And if right is less than left, obviously it will be positive. Then you check the balance factor of B, which will be equal to 0. And if this is the case, you apply R0. That means if A is equal to plus 2 and the balance factor of B is equal to 0, you apply R0. And the resultant tree, what I showed, is the end result. Now, there could be some nodes above A also, which we are not concerned with that. Why? Because we are only balancing that part. Any node which is coming above A will, as it is, will be put over there. That means if there are some nodes above A, you just directly add those nodes at B, because B is now the new root. Correct? Now let us try to get an example for this. Is it clear to you? Because see, this is little tricky, because in other cases you were only doing LL and trying to check the L left branch. In other cases, you were taking the right RR, you are checking the right branch. But here, you are deleting in the right branch and checking the left branch. And similarly, every rotation will be similar, that when what is R plus 1, it will be deleting in the right branch when the balance factor of B is plus 1. What is R minus 1? When we are deleting in the right and the balance factor of B is minus 1. Therefore, these three cases will make R0, R1 and R minus 1. Similarly, the other three cases will make you L0, L1 and L minus 1. And these are the 6 cases. Now let us try to take an example. Now you have a tree. Now let us take from the book of Sham series. Now I'm trying to do from the book because you will be following. This is the tree at some point of time. Now try to find a balance factor. I am, of course, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is plus 1, minus 1, this is minus 1, 0. Correct? Correct? Now what I am going to do, I am going to delete this node. That means delete. Now what is the rotation? Now when you delete 60 minus 4, 54 will be 0. Now let us try to see. This will become 0. This will become plus 2. Nothing will be there on the left hand side. Because you are deleting on the right hand side, nothing will change in the left hand side. That means the left hand side means left subtree. Now check the rotation. You are dating in the right subtree of 46. Check the balance factor of 20. It is 0. Therefore, apply R0. Now, directly try to apply the rules for the previous one. Therefore, it will be something like this. He will become the root. Then you will have this 46. What remains? 23, 24. Balanced. Now you check with this one. We became the root. A came down. The AR is now put to A. BR to left of A and BL as it is. Now similarly, you can directly map over here. Actually, this is A now. This is A. This is B. No, sorry, not here. This is A. This is B. This is now BL. This is BR. And this is AR. Now you are going to check over here. This is B. This is A. This is A of R. Now this is B of L. And this is now you check with this one. Same. We are in the left of A. Here also we are in the left of A. Correct? If you understood this one, the next two rotations I will start. I think it's clear to all of you, because these questions will form the questions in the sessional or of the exams. Therefore, you have to clear it very well. Now let us try to do the second rotations and do the second one. Therefore, R1. Now, what is the meaning of R1? Obviously, it is the same rotation. What you are going to do? You are check if balance factor of B is equal to +1. Then apply.
Please balance factor, sir. I'm थोड़ा लेट आया था.
हाँ, क्या क्वेश्चन? What is asking?
Sir, please explain balance factor. थोड़ा लेट आए थे.
Is equal to height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. For any node, you have to check the height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. Obviously, if I compare, if I take for this 20, height of left is 2, height of right is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0.
Yes, sir.
If you take it for 46, height of left is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2 is +1.
Yes,
But
sir.
once you delete 60, the height of left is unchanged, 3, minus 1. This is about now +2. Now the green one, what I'm writing over there, is the new height. The yellow ones over there are the old heights.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now here, what I'm trying to tell you, that when if I'm going to perform an R1 notation, you check the balance factor of B. And I am telling you again and again, B is not in the right but on the left. B is not in the right but in the left. Now it means that when you are drifting in the right, you check the balance factor of left. Now let us try to draw the things to be clear to you. A, the height of this is h. The height of this is also h. But the height of this is h minus 1. Okay? Now check the balance factor. What is the balance factor of B? H minus h minus 1. That it is, say it is +1. What is the balance factor of A? Quickly. +1. Why? Because BL is H. B is 1, H plus 1 minus H. That is nothing but H plus 1 minus H. Will give you +1. Why H plus 1? BL is H. You add B to that, H plus 1 minus AR is H. Therefore, H plus 1 minus H will give you plus 1. Now, I am deleting a node from here. The new height is now this. Now the new balance factor will become, it will become plus 2. Because H plus 1 minus H minus 1 will give you plus 2. Now check the balance factor of B. This plus 1. Apply R1. Now here what I am going. Now the end result. Just put like this. Now what is the balance factor of this? H minus 1. Height. Again, this is also H minus 1. This H. So what is the balance factor of B now? It will become 0. Now let us try to take a case. Now I am taking from the book of Shamsis. And you have to delete this node. Now check the balance factor of B. What is B? 28. That means this is B. This is A. Now what is the balance factor of B now? It is plus 1. Therefore you apply R1. Now draw a tree. Now it is very simple. Now, one thing you must see over here, that when I deleted 39, what was the balance factor of A?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. Correct. after I rotated, what is the balance factor of the root?
0.
Okay. Now that is an important observation. But normally what you have seen that when I rotate, it decays by 1. But here it decays by 2. The balance factor of A was +2. That means the root was +2. Now the new root what we got, it is now again come back to 0. And that is the here. Where if you see this case here, it was not like that. It was not like that. Here, 46 was balance factor was +2. After rotation also, the balance factor of this is minus is 1 less. That means here it is more. Now you see this. It doesn't make it 0, but it makes it the right hand side becomes more. And therefore, in that case, these rules are meant to be different with one another. Though you might see that what we have made here, B AR, BR, BL, and what I have made here is same. But the difference lies in the fact that here BR and AR are not at the same level. BR is below AR. But here, if you see in this case, BR and AR are at the same level. Correct? Now, let us try to do the third one, which is simple. Okay? Now let us try to make it little tricky. Now calculate the balance factor. Now let us do it for this. This is 0. This is -1. What is the balance factor of A? And you are deleting something from here. Now this case is a little tricky because you remember In the last class, we did double rotation cases. Now this case is a case of double rotation. That means if I do a single rotation, it will not balance. Now in the last case, what I discussed was basically single rotation cases. Now this is double rotation cases. Therefore, you have to understand it very well. When you are going to double rotate, actually you are rotating at B first and then at A again. You rotate at B and then you rotate at A. That means you are performing an anti-clockwise, taking B as the pivot, and then perform a clockwise, taking A as the pivot. And the end
Sir?
result, yeah,
So didn't get how the balance is calculated.
where?
Sir, the BL is h minus 1, CL is h minus 1. So how come B termed as h minus 1?
See, what is the height of left? What is the height of left of B?
It's h minus 1.
Correct. And what is the height of right of B?
Height of, sorry,
Right of B.
right of B, it's h minus 1.
H minus 1 था, H minus बस C नहीं ऐड करोगे
So zero का अगर हम उसको डायरेक्टली अगर जीरो भी ऐड
तो थोड़ी है बेटा H minus 1 प्लस एक और हाइट है ना C भी तो एक नोड है
सो उसमें वो जीरो लिखा था इसलिए करना
ऐसा देखो ऐसा
सो जीरो लिखा था ना इसलिए लाइक मैंने उसको अगर सिमिलरली अरिथमेटिकली ऐड किया तो वो नहीं आ रहा
C तो अल्फाबेटिकली नहीं है वो उस नोड का बैलेंस फैक्टर था हाइट थोड़ी जीरो है उसकी हाइट ऑफ C जीरो थोड़ी है बैलेंस फैक्टर ऑफ C जीरो है अब तुम्हारा
ठीक है सर ठीक
ये जो अगर ये h plus 1 है इसमें तुम प्लस 1 ऐड करो तो h plus 1 तो यानी बेसिकली
हो जाएगा
x हो जाएगा ना तो ये बेसिकली ये है ये हो जाएगा यहाँ पे h minus 1 और यहाँ पे प्लस 1 ये प्लस 1 जिसकी हाइट है h तो h minus 1 minus h will give you minus 1 ऐसे ठीक है clear perfect good you clear keep your because see actually these things cannot be done by mugging up the things you have to make sure that you have to understand it very well now this is a case of double rotation that means just like previous cases we'll perform an anti-clockwise at B and after doing that we'll perform a clockwise at A and therefore the end result what we'll get will be something like this. Now when you perform an anti-clockwise at B, C will rise up. When you perform a clockwise at the new A, C will go up. Therefore C will come here, B will come here. And then you will get BL over here, CL over here, and CR over here. And you will find that all of them are at the same level. Now let us check what is the height of AR is h. No, sorry, h minus 1. Got deleted 1. What is the height of CR is h minus 1. What is the height of CL is h minus 1. What is the height of BL is again h minus 1. And what is the balance factor of this? 0. What is the balance factor of B? 0. Balance factor of A? 0. Correct? Because there's only one H, AR. But once you delete one node from that, it becomes h minus 1. Therefore, BL, CL, AR, CR all becomes h minus 1 and all coming at the same level. Therefore, all the nodes above this will always become 0, 0, and now this is the end result. Correct? Okay. Now let us try to do a question from here. And then you are going to delete this node. Now, from this point, this is A, this is B, this is C. Now, check the balance factor of B. This is 1 minus 2, therefore, this is minus 1. You are deleting in the right side, therefore, in that case, it is a rotation the rotation is R, because deletion is being done in the right side of the node which has a balance factor of 2. Now 44 had a balance factor of +1. This was initially it was +1. Right? 1, 2, 3 minus 2 +1. Now once you deleted this, now here once you are going to delete this becomes +2. But you check the balance factor of B, it is now -1. Therefore, apply R minus 1. Not so simple. That's all. Now here, instead of having only two nodes 23 and 29, this could have gone more down also. It is not there that this is the only case. It is also possible that there might be some nodes at the bottom, but you make sure the node which has a balance factor of +2, the left child of that, you have to check the balance factor. That means since A becomes, say, +2, therefore you have to check the left of A, that is the B. Okay, that's all. That means here you have to check, therefore there might be some nodes over here also. Like this. But if there is node over there, obviously there will be nodes over here also. Because without, if you put 23 and 29, some node below that, you must have a node at 18 also, otherwise it will not be balanced. Just try to show you why I am saying this. I am putting a node, say over here I am putting a node, suppose say I put here say 22. I put say node as 30. Now if you put like this, it is not balanced. At B. Therefore, you must put some node over here. Maybe I might put 17. Now, if this is the case, what you do is that you just attach this over here. You attach 17 over here. You attach over here, you attach 22. You attach, say, 30. But if this is the case, there would have been node over here also. Because if you are putting, say, 22, 30, 17, you cannot stop at 52 because at that time it was not balanced. Therefore, this might be supported at 60. And in that case, this will be also 60. And you again find that all of them lies at the same level. Correct? Therefore, it does not matter that I am only putting over there. What I am trying to say is that this one and this one are having equal heights. But the left of B is of course one less than that. Now, if you put like this, you find that the balance factor of B is -1 only. Because left of B में 2 है, right of B में 3 है. Therefore, 2 minus 3 is -1. That means if you keep on making the tree, it will keep on going like this. Therefore, when I draw a box, it indicates a subtree, not a single node. Therefore, there could be many nodes before that. But if you check where is the balance factor I am modifying. That means in this, if I am putting like this, the balance factor of A will now change to +2 only. And therefore, you apply R1 notation. And B will remain over there. But if after doing this, suppose this becomes A. Then in that case, this will become B now. And this will not be an R-1 notation. Because you are deleting in the left side. Therefore, this in that case, it might become L-1 or L0. Now, with this in mind, what you can do, you can try the other 3 rotations. That means the L0, L1 and L-1, which are nothing but it's a mirror images. Therefore, what you can do is that you draw a tree such a way. Now it will be something like this. I draw a tree like this. And this is A. And you are going to delete somewhere over here. This case is L0 rotation. Because you are deleting in the left side, check the balance factor of B, it is 0, therefore L0. Because the balance factor of B, the balance factor of B is equal to 0. Therefore, this 0 indicates what I am trying to say. This 0 indicates this. And this deletion indicates that we are doing the equal to, and this deletion indicates that this is L. Because we are deleting on the left side. Now, why I say left? Because the balance factor of A has now changed to 0. Now, sorry, it has now changed to plus. Now, initially, the balance factor of this was -1. Because BL height, BR height was same, L height was same. But right now, it had now changed to -2 because you have decreased the size. Now here this was h. This is h. This was h. After deletion, now this has become h minus 1. And now the balance factor of A has now changed from -1 to -2. But you check the B and you find that this is 0. Apply a 0. And similarly, you can do with all other things the same way.